In this video, I'll show you how to set up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. First, it helps to know what the chart of accounts is. Intuit says it's the complete list of your company's accounts, including assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. And QuickBooks usually creates a basic chart for you automatically when you set up the company. To add a new account, open Settings, then choose Chart of Accounts, and click New. Intuit says you'll then choose the account type and detail type, which control how the account appears in your financial reports. After that, enter the account name and add an account number if you use numbering. If you're creating a balance sheet account like a bank account, loan, or fixed asset, Intuit says you may also need to enter an opening balance and an as of date. That opening balance is important because if it's wrong, your reports can be off later. If you have a lot of accounts to add, Intuit also says you can import them in bulk from a spreadsheet instead of creating them one by one. So the simple process is open Settings, go to Chart of Accounts, click New, choose the type and detail type, enter the account info, and save it. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.